Hello and welcome to the 3 Kids of Texas channel. Today we are going to show you a very quick, simple mousse. Let's grab a box of Dr. O's mousse. We don't really know how to say his name. Let's get that box open and get 1 cup of milk. Now I'm gonna pour in my 1 cup of milk. Whoa, it moves away. Yeah, they're super bubbles. I think I should just stir it up. We have 5 people in this family, so we're gonna split this 5 ways. Let it refrigerate for about an hour. And bon appetit! If you like this video, please like and subscribe.